Right, boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. Apologies for last week, but I was feeling under the weather last week, so I gave it a miss. But I've sanded the pickup, done all the imperfections. They're all been done. I'm thinking about giving it a few coats of primer. If I'm honest, I think it's gone on a wee bit too dry. So that's what I'll probably do during the week, get that all done, and then hopefully next week we can start putting some colour on the car. So tonight we're going to put the Raptor liner on, so it's going to be done in white. I believe you can add the paint to it as well, but I'm not going to do that just yet, and just see how it goes from there. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Well, good boys, that's me done for the night. I'll come out the garage like that's really, really strong stuff. That it's I think the fumes in that are quite dangerous. So as soon as I took my mask off, time to get out of there. So anyway, so that's it on. It's looking not too bad at all. We'll get a proper look at it next week when it all dries off, and I can open the garage doors up and get those fumes out of there. But it's looking good now. It's looking not too bad. So hopefully next week we'll get the first coat of the. I think it's the roof I'll maybe do first. It's going to be a high gloss black, and then the rest of the car's going to be white. You know what I mean? So so hopefully next week we'll get the. Like I say, we'll start put some colour on the car next week, and then hopefully the following week it should be completely painted. So fingers crossed. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen tonight, and we'll catch you again next week. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.